In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Proton VPN subscription. If you want the easiest and most reliable way to cancel, the best method is to do it directly through your Proton account. This lets you manage the subscription from the source and clearly confirm that your cancellation has been processed correctly. To begin, open your Proton account in your web browser. Once you're on the sign-in page, log in using your Proton account credentials. Make sure you use the same account that currently has the Proton VPN subscription attached to it, since some people have more than one email or account, and that can cause confusion when trying to manage billing. After you've signed in, look for the dashboard. This is where Proton gives you an overview of your account services and subscription details. Take a moment to locate your Proton VPN subscription in this area. Depending on your account setup, you may see different Proton services listed, so be sure you select the correct subscription before moving forward. Next, click on Manage Subscription. This will take you to the subscription settings page where you can review your current plan and billing status. If you want to double check that you're changing the right subscription, this is a good place to do it before canceling anything. Once you're in the subscription management section, click Cancel Subscription. Proton will usually ask you to confirm the cancellation, which is a normal step designed to prevent accidental changes. Go ahead and confirm it to finish the process. After that, your subscription should be successfully canceled. One important thing to keep in mind is that canceling does not normally turn off your VPN service immediately. In most cases, your Proton VPN access will continue until the end of your current billing period. That means you've stopped the renewal, but you can still use the service for the time you've already paid for. As a final tip, after canceling, it's a good idea to stay on the page for a moment and look for any confirmation message or updated subscription status. That helps you make sure the cancellation went through properly. If available, you can also keep a screenshot or confirmation email for your records. And that's it. That's how to cancel your Proton VPN subscription quickly and directly through your Proton account.